Welcome. This video will guide you through the instructions for using the Leishmania Antibody Rapid Kit. First, open the product box and check that all components are included. To start the test, place the Leishmania Antibody Rapid device on a flat surface. Using the capillary tube, collect the canine serum, plasma, or whole blood up to the blue line. Dispense the collected sample into the sample hole. Add 3 drops of the dilution buffer into the sample hole. Then read the result at 10 minutes after dropping. Now, let's see how to interpret the results. If you see both the control line and the test line, it indicates a Leishmania positive result. A negative result is shown when only the control line appears and no test line is visible. This means the sample is negative for Leishmania antibodies. Finally, if the control line does not appear at all, the test is considered invalid, even if a test line is visible. In this case, you must perform a retest with a new device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us by email.